In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send wire transfer to Crypto.com. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using Crypto.com through the mobile app, you will notice that one of the ways in which you can deposit money into your account is going to be through a wire transfer. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can easily initiate a wire transfer to your Crypto.com account. So in here, the very first thing that you have to do is tap on deposit. So you can do this from the home screen or go over to your account page. Keep in mind that if your account is not already set up, you will have to go through these setup steps before you are allowed to deposit. I'm not going to cover them in full in this video. When you choose deposit, usually you will select your currency, which for most people I assume is going to be US dollars. And now, like I said, one of the methods available is a wire transfer. So if you see wire transfer, choose it from the list. And now you will be given a lot of details. So basically, these details are going to be the same and they refer to the Crypto.com business essentially. The most important one is going to be the unique code displayed here. So there will be a unique code, which is basically a bunch of numbers. And as you can see, they bring your attention to this. You must include the unique code for us to identify your deposit, or else funds might be lost. So the way that they know that it was your deposit and not someone else's is through the unique code. So make sure that you note this down first. Read all of the information, of course, and to actually do a wire transfer, if you have never done one before, you will initiate this through any standard bank. For example, Wells Fargo. You can also use any other bank that you have. So Bank of America is another example. The process is going to slightly differ for every single bank, but for Wells Fargo, if you are doing this on your PC, you go to Transfer and Pay and you select the Wire Money option. Now you will be able to verify your account and add the recipient. So choose United States. And now all of those details that you saw about the Crypto.com business, they will have to be included here. So choose the recipient account type and then input all of the details like the business name, SWIFT/BIC, and the transfer amount, of course. Then you can confirm all of those details about the bank that you are transferring to and confirm this transfer to Crypto.com with the IBAN. It is especially important that when you get to the recipient details and so on, you include the unique code that was given to you, or else they will not be able to identify that transfer was yours. And as long as you include all of those details that Crypto.com gave to you while initiating a wire transfer, you will be able to receive your money. So note down all of these details and you will be able to get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to send wire transfer to Crypto.com. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.